clothing line? Like, what was the idea behind the brand?
I mean, dude, for me, like, us as entrepreneurs, like, we carry pain, we carry scars, and like, I feel as though a lot of the time, like, we just feel shame with some of the stories. There's nothing really else out there that you can put on that represents that minimalistic spirit that we have as entrepreneurs. And like, dude, I'm not gonna lie, like, when I wear the line, like, I feel, as weird as it sounds, I feel understood, I feel safe, and I want other people to have that feeling too.
Now the shit glowed up, wristlet shit froze up, and we just getting to the so incredible, baby. It's that type shit you drop the wig on the dawn, look in the sky and say God's great. Fell asleep in first class and woke in Dubai. Club white sparkles looking like 4th of July. Instagram story clicking, trying to say the moment. Sexy woman selling pussy, but we ain't condone it. I woke up in the hospital at 2 p.m. Abu Dhabi club party try to do me in. Paramedic talking to me in the ambulance. I could barely hear this nigga, just the ambiance. Plain face, Richard Mille on my wrist. Last year I didn't even know this shit exists.
Everything that I've read, praise the Lord.
Dude, it's literally down to us entrepreneurs. Turn off.